ate so aba form kra significant.
Yeah, na number 14 as.
Batwan. Enti interventions we na
Ebusafo aha Ghana Sem TV GH message like comment subscribe. We share video news and now share am obi so be share bi. Mo comment is very important. You take it time na they reply every comment. You reading so and see na ma comment am
ate so aba form kra significant.
Yeah, na number 14 as.
Batwan. Enti interventions we na boa ma yetimi push prices ne down. Interventions no and na boa ma yetimi push prices ne down. Eno anso so na boa ye Emma reserves no ebo sidi na chiba Emma nyame adom sidi no so ana edwane a na NDC for ntime mpene say omo beji the exit record of President Akufo-Addo ne Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no omo exit record on 6th January 2025 atum ene omo kwa na omo pe data na say figures e ba during the crisis period ene omo de be ya ntoto ho
ye free so na ye say
exchange rate 14 cedi 70 pesos and no come say there be na 17 cedi and ne kwa abochi ho ne kwa bisa say dollar na yesen no kra ya ba kope wo tro 10 cedi to ho no wo need dollar ni bi ho
10 cedi no kra call 11
wo de 11 na ba beto no wasa the directives akwa banks ne say international companies are omo sika oho omo ba beji omo sika unless they are backed by deposits and yes am omo mfa momo na me bisa ya brown rabo pon kroma say backed by deposits na dey no mo patch e no see oh na me bibi say ba me mpesa me kasa out of ignorance
so what you say did what go busa what
you say me a lawyer ni na me choba operator me nye economist but enu nti na efre bibi consultation me bisa ni nchemu no I was stunned or say backed by deposits no mo chere na patch say eye company kro na wo ba be yisika no so the dollar e na beto account no ma e na wutimi yi dollar e ma no wan fa dollar meto ho no ma o kaso wo beje dollar je so ma ne cedi equivalent
yes
na me bisa o multinationals we to say MTN any other companies be free South Africa be free UK be free other places omo di omo investments abakrom ha say be omo be bie nwuma amagana mabuna nya biaye no me pacho momo no pacho ye ni dollar
da bi say the cities
pacho data ne ye to ni dollars
da bi
na pacho call na ye no mo tie in dollars
da bi
enti omo no sa telcos ne other international companies no pacho de no mo ene wa hanye
cities
enti oba beje aspects of the revenue are remitted to ebi an mother company and so mo de akokra ne ma aba na wokọ na aka say we need dollar wo de be ma na de na wo pa akire
it's a bit ho
you will be killing FDI into Ghana.
Yes,
it will reduce
for a very direct
business
investment yes.
of this country. I'm Nkrofo ka say there be me kra me ye business wa ha over ye wie na esese o fulfill with international obligations no na Nkrofo ya ba be catch us say untimi yi usika ni bi unti no mo toto papa so and it's not just about them. Average Ghanaian businessmen na ebi omo capital cry between 5,000 to 100,000 or $1 million. Omo person omo ko Turkey, China, any other Western countries ekwa kra niema ba edi beye businesses no. Nana aye arehosem. Aye arehosem.
Areho
minimum be or say at some point na say sika wo de kwakra ne ma ba no esese o gamble into the mad two different banks wa wo de ebedi kan akọ through bia no afa no what hobo so me ba ko oni niam ma obeton enti at the end of the day no honorable Ato Forson onim no kra said there was a gold for oil program and they are continuing to benefit from it because mobile ye na ye expenditure in advance of appropriation up to March 2025 no almost started to kill so my impact no kra no enye omo first budget
no mo first budget
and I am me bisa question na NDC form pines on be answer say na first budget no kra kan in March no patch say no what this bese na meet honorable Aminanta press conference I was so stunned say nkuko buon nkete ne sa na ma no kan as at the time I no already media budget review media budget no kra no release bi no release bi eno ani name changing na no moye NHIS a was Mahama case no akwa sika ni bi aba no onfa additional revenue mawo Maslock sika na ebejeje na or women in banking I want him say 50 million Ghana cedis entimi nya initial capital for any bank. Mitie Shamima on GTV or say a bank na ye ka say de be mama ya nka say commercial bank. And I'm saying mitie I have
bank ben.
Oh, dana mo ye budget mitie no. Also they didn't mean said they were talking about a commercial bank.
But which bank?
Now, Mrs. Say, you just na de babe mama. Adi Maslow disbursement to women was in excess of 60% since the cut time. And sana biba tabai. Any community mining scheme or Missy Adana no cooperative mining.
Yes, responsible mining. Any de kosi.
Ya no fie nwotwe. Any beast time honorable Aduchuma launch last year. Ma hu ya so masa akoye relaunching.
And I say you saw akoye interview. Lugas DVL. And American.
Even chip embedded passports. You launching the last year. Bo who de ro. Baroness Honorable Shelia Yokobochi. Ede baye. Me kind say Honorable Amprechum. Media tour across all the media houses. Bo who de ro. Omobaye who ya no so omosa so ma launching the bill. Chip embedded passport. As if said the foreign minister knows anything about it and how it came about. Enti ohene yada ne ada. Me gidi say and American ye ni omo nhase o Ghana for na start pony atro no ho omo pony ho kakra before the final blow will come and then they will say oh so indeed and some ankrofo be ka che Ghana for edigina so digi tumi nyina na ya atro. Nano krebi ani.
Okay, so Minister Medase, ebuza fonti
NBC fuechi no. Emua. Enyansafo buman ni akoso sankwasiafo mo begusu so mo mara mewe. She doctor doctor say am so ni mu a na sa papa wi yetena okokwasa ko san eye na nanado. Nanado be depressed no woni 60s, woni late 60s. Eni ya tira wa ejino na na bia oyeda haro papa ne ba yo so wunya sometimes they do be we soft kaka ye better my doctor ba be papa no at this time what ideas na obey ma Ghana ayeye eya na Ghana for sabi why eya na da ne haye ye jimi ana say ye literacy na ye dambo ana ye beyi me de why papa no me nya from become me because oba obey because why be pain vice president was championing 35 great major policies interventions in Ghana. But I can't say papa yotisi na ni mama mo say please need true bahama na ni mama mo say obi constipation actually true mo what chima emma aye shem mahama ever vice president munche ma de kura no oye de yes eye na mahama oko because atame so ni any swadi hu biara wonim ni die bi adwini mu yeto adwini mu ehwe ti se Ghana meat pie ni eton kwa ho traffic mu meat pie wo se ntokoro dem sana na mahama na adwintie abofu yenya president with vice president one vice presidential rule no aye effective mo se mo mpera de ebe mo hey mo so ne kanya mo asiafo mo kokoti ma doctor 2028 NPP delegate January 31st mo kokoti ma no wa ye bi pen me be bo one or two things awaye so me wi amakanyo so be ya ka ho mo nja jimie no aden